Genuinely, this has to be the best value Audi Q7 Black Edition on the market today. A 2020 69 registration with 17,900 miles on the clock. 3-litre diesel, 286 brake horsepower, and that beautiful metallic silver. Today with the live pricing, this car is only 57,990. But remember, this is a new model car. It's a new generation Q7 with the newer headlights, the newer interior, grille, bumpers, everything. And that's what I mean, it is the best value. It's a 7-seater, massive specification, and the car looks truly amazing with that beautiful colour combination. Now the reason I've left the indicators on, because it has got the dynamic indicators front and rear. You've also got things like the Matrix LED headlights, with adaptive headlight washers, front rear parking sensors with parallel park assist, but it's the design factor. The car has been fully de-chromed. Other than the Audi rings, there's no chrome on it really. It's all been high gloss blacked up, part of the Black Edition pack. So around the surroundings on the front grille, the actual grille itself, the car just looks brilliant. It's a big 4x4, but it still gives a great running cost and has lots of power. The engine sound is brilliant, and it's Quattro, remember. This car has then got things like the 360-view camera system. That's a camera in the front, cameras in the side, and a camera in the back. And I'll show you in a few seconds on the infotainment system how clever and detailed the camera system actually is, which is brilliant. Now this car's got the upgraded Black Edition wheels, which are 22-inch alloy wheels, and they're probably one of the best design wheels you can get on the Audi. It's a similar or same alloys you would get on the RS5, for example, or an RS7, and it really makes this car look like an RS product. Everything's colour-coded like the wheel arches. You've then got the black mirror caps, the black signature stripe down the side with the Quattro badging, black window surrounds, and this one's got the full tilt and sliding panoramic roof. The quality of these cars are brilliant. When you shut the doors, they sound nice and just built and put together properly, correctly. The interior for me is absolutely beautiful. It's on a new level. It is very modern, up to date. You've got a full leather interior, very rich, fine leather with the S embossed into the seats. You've got ambient lighting everywhere. That's on the door cards, just under here at the bottom layer, down the center strip here on the dash. Touchscreen media system with a 10-inch screen. You've got Apple CarPlay, you've got DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, navigation obviously, and an Audi always has the virtual live cockpit. Without it, it's not really an Audi, is it? Flat bottom steering wheel, and another extra is the Bose surround sound system. So the upgraded sound system, the flat bottom, the virtual cockpit, it's got everything. The piano black on the center dash, the Quattro badging which illuminates as well, and you can change your colours obviously. The Audi rings as welcome lights, and then the S entry kick plates. You've then got things like the fully fitted matte front and rear, all the lumbar adjustments, 4-way electric seats as well. Airbags front, side and rear. For me, it's a car that's practical, it's a car that has great road presence, such a reliable car. We sell a full range of vehicles, and I can hand on my heart say Audi is certainly one of them cars where you can drive it and it'll give you not an ounce of problem, no issues whatsoever. And they're great cars for passengers as well, because if you sat behind this seat right now, and that passenger seat is quite far back, I've got tons of headroom, loads of leg room. It's brilliant. The centre armrest comes down, and remember they're a 7-seater. You've then got the digital climate control for the rear passengers. You've got 12-volt sockets down there for any game stations or charging ports that you might want. This centre armrest has cup holders in here tucked away, but look at the condition. Because it's doing 17,000 miles, it's immaculate. The seats, the bodywork, the wheels, everything. Full service history, and it still has warranty with Audi up until 2023, and that is brilliant on its own. I love the rear end. The new rear end of this car with the individual lighting system for me, again, he's just took it to a new level again. That looks brilliant. Because they do, when you unlock and lock the car, they sort of click into place nicely. You've then got the Black Edition rear bumper with exhaust fascias, all high gloss on the bottom section, the reversing camera, and then you've got automatic tailgate, which can be used off the key. Now I always bang on about this as well, because I have 5 kids and the wife drives a 7-seater, so I'm very familiar with a 7-seater vehicle. And mine hasn't got this sort of space, so these 7 seats are up, what you call 3rd row seating, but you've still got enough space for a big pushchair, couple of suitcases at the very least, and you probably get half a week shopping in here, no problem. That is amazing, because most 7-seaters, once the 3rd row seating is up, you're left with very, very little space, and that is, for me, massive selling point. Lovely little built-in lights there. all the different seat adjustments, electronically adjusted, and you can lower the suspension at the back for low load. So if you have got pets, for example, dog, for example, that can't get into the back, it's too high, you can lower it as well. Underneath here, you've got the amplifier and subwoofer for the Bose sound surround system. Lock and wheel nut, first aid kit, all the tool kit, everything that the car should have come with is all just there. Let me quickly show you this though. So to get into the third row seating, everything's in perfect condition first of all. You pull this handle, it flips down, you push this, and that's it. There's no more to it. Because some of them 7-seaters on the market that are available, you really have to, you need a degree to get into the third row seating because you just don't know how to configure it, how to move things around. This is simple, it's easy, it does what it's supposed to do. You get in, or the kids get in, off you go. You've got ISOFIX seats in all the sort of middle row seating and in the third row seating. So the 5 ISOFIX points, which is quite rare on its own as well. Also for the third row seating, you've got their own cup holders. But let's just appreciate the car for what it is. It's a big 4-wheel drive, diesel, top of the range, with all the lighting system, all the gadget and gizmos you could possibly want, all for $57,990. If you look at what else is available, because that's what we do, we looked at some of the cars that were physically available today. Some of them just weren't black edition, because some of the black editions don't come with 22-inch wheels. So it's getting one in the right colour combination, in the right spec, because this is it. Absolutely stunning, stunning car. In here, we always talk about virtual cockpits and navigation and all the rest of it. This is all digital, so straight away you know it's up to date, modern. Audi have always played about with dashboards and lighting systems and indicators because they like to set the trend, if that makes sense. Automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, dual zone climate control, the heated seats, and then you have Audi Drive Select, so you can go dynamic, comfort, eco, you choose, all road, different options. Automatic handbrake, automatic hold. You've got wireless charging pad down there, USBs, everything. This is genuinely a fabulous example of a great car. 57,990. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I'm more than happy to help you, but this car certainly isn't going to be hanging around for too long. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.